Let's be honest, no one really taught us how to manage money in school or college. I should have been, but we were not taught about any of this. And we kind of figured this out through Google by making some mistake in the process or from some weird Instagram reels. So that is precisely why I'm starting this channel. Hi, my name is Himang and welcome to Basics with Himang. So I'm not a finance guru as such. I'm just someone who has spent last few years trying to make sense of investment, decision making, budgeting, savings, and I did all this by myself. I did not have any direction as such, right? And I have also met a couple of people, and I networked with actually a couple of people, and I realized that so many of us are trying to figure this out alone, and I believe it doesn't have to be that way. So that is why I am here. So this channel is mostly for people like me and maybe you who just want real, simple, and honest money talk. So let's begin. On this channel, we will cover personal finance basics that actually make sense, simple ways to start investing even with very small amount, mistakes that I have made so that you don't have to, and the lessons that I have learned. I will share all those lessons here one by one. Mindset tools to feel more in control of your life and money, and in the end, maybe even few stories, some life experiments and tips that go beyond money. Remember, money is just a tool. The real goal is to build confidence, independence, and peace of mind. So before I close this video, let me give you top 3 money habits that you can start today. The first one is automate your savings. As soon as you get some money in your pocket or you get your salary, you need to deduct some portion towards savings. This will help you build momentum. Second is you need to start tracking your top 3 expenses. It could be your shopping bills, it could be your food bills or subscription bills. Once you fix those, then you are golden. Last is you need to invest before you feel that you are ready to invest. Here the motive is not to make you invest but to get you into the habit of investing. Building habit is way more valuable than the amount that you are going to invest. These basics change the way I look at money, and this is the kind of stuff that we will go deep into one video at a time. If that sounds good and if you wish to be part of this journey, please hit subscribe. I'll see you next where I will create a video on top 3 biggest beginner investment mistakes and how to avoid them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.